Hello guys, here we have a Lenovo turning on, but there's nothing on the screen. When you press the power button, you do get a light, meaning it's turning on, but there's nothing on the screen, and the screen keep on doing this. I'm not sure if you can see, it's flashing up. So guys, what do you suggest here? I'm not sure if you can see, it's blinking, but you won't see it clearly. It keeps on flashing. The screen is doing this, but it's just blank, no information, no data. So guys, what I was thinking here, I'm gonna ask my brother here next to me if he has tried another screen. Have you tried another screen here?
Yeah, right.
And it did the same thing?
Yeah, still the same.
A working screen?
Yeah, working screen.
Okay guys, he tried with another screen and it keeps on doing the same thing. So now let's do this. Let's connect in HDMI and then check if we will have any information or not. Okay, HDMI has been connected. Let's check. So you switch. Okay, switch to cam. Switch to a screen. Switch to a projector. Let's try this. The switch. Okay, you know what? Let me remove this and then connect this. Maybe we will have a display. Okay, still doing the same thing. I tried to switch between the thing, projector, still doing the same thing. Okay guys, now I remember one thing. Okay, to see if a laptop is working or it's not working, we have to press the caps lock. By pressing the caps lock, if you get a light, it means the machine is working. But if there's no light, like in our case there's no light, it means the machine is dead, completely dead. So now I remember very well. We have to take this apart. Let's turn it off. Eyeball. Okay, yes, it's off. Let's remove everything. Okay, we will need something to put all the screws. Okay, so now what you do, you remove all the screws. All right guys, let's go ahead. Let's see what we have. Okay, so now what you do, you notice that when you are checking a laptop that doesn't have any display, no boots up, you check the screen, of which they did check the screen, you replace the RAM, and I don't think it's the RAM. Did you change the RAM?
Yeah.
Okay, the RAM was replaced as well. Remove everything and try with the port alone. Let's do that. Let's remove everything and try with a port alone. We've already done that. We removed everything. So now let's try with what? With a motherboard alone. They broke the thing. It means some guy broke this thing. But anyway, we know who, so it's fine. We know who broke this. Okay, so now guys, let's try without that, without the other components. So what you will normally do, connect a screen right here. Okay, the screen has been connected. And guys, physical inspection is so important. We have to inspect, just check, look around, because sometimes some of the stuff, they don't need you to take measurement, they only need you to observe, look, check. look for any benchmark. Just check around. You will be surprised what you might find. Doing a physical inspection. Okay, fine. I don't see anything suspicious. It's okay. You know what we have to do? There's nothing suspicious. Let's try. Let's turn it on. Okay. Flip the board around. And then let's connect the DC bench power supply. There is a DC in jack. Connect. Check the power supply. Positive to positive. And ground to ground. Right. After this, let's connect the power button. All right, we have the power button. Let's connect the power button. Power button has been connected. So today I'm gonna try to speak as Pakistan's. Okay, my friends. So now this is what you do. My friends, here we have to use a power button. You place the power button. Machine is turning on. And we have nothing on the screen. It keeps on flickering. Okay, my friends, let's move on. Oh wait, my friends, I'm seeing something. The power supplies keep on jumping. 500 to 300, 500 to 300. So now, my friends, this is what you'll do. Let's check everything. It's now starting up. 1.8, but on the other side we have 0 volts. What about here? Okay, we do have 1.8, my friends. Now let's check here. We have drip. Wait. My friends, something is wrong. Something is getting hot here. Let me turn off. Something was getting hot here, my friends. I don't know what. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. The fan is spinning. Now let's check the volts. We have 1.1. This is fine. Now let's check the BIOS. We check pin number 8. Now let's check pin number 7. Now let's check pin number Pin number 6. Pin number 6 has 0 point something volts. Keep on jumping, my friends. See, my friends, we have a problem there on pin number 6. Pin number 1 is jumping as well. Pin number 1 is jumping. Pin number 2 is fine. Okay, my friends. My friend, this is not good. Let's start by programming the BIOS. But we'll save the current BIOS files and then save the backup. Oh, wait, my friend. Let's check 3.3 and 5 volts. 3.7 on 3.3. 5 volts is there. Okay, we do have 3.3 and 5 volts. I think here, my friends, we have to program the BIOS. It's no longer jumping now. I don't know why. I think the machine is off or it's on. Okay, my friend, let's program the BIOS. Remove that. Remove that. Now let's look for a BIOS. This is my hard drive, my friends, and then let's go to BIOS pin files. So when you arrive here, you type there. Let's type B 0 9 2 9, and then you hit enter. Okay, we don't have this BIOS file. It's simple. Now you use your phone, my friends. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, I got the file. So this is what you do. Take this away. Let's remove the BIOS. The BIOS on this machine is near the CPU. So you will have to be very careful. You will have to be very careful. Okay, you can put the tape to protect the CPU and the RAMs. Cards. Let's put another one. Guys, I hope you understand why you have to charge people inspection fee due to your material that you are using and the tape that you are wasting there. It's very, very important that people should pay the inspection fee in your business, whether it's fixed or not. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. We need it with us. Now let's look for the programmer. Let's check. I believe this is touching. So to confirm if it's touching or not, this is what you do. All right, it's touching. It's touching, my friends. Now let's continue. You wait for the chip to be warm, because now it's hot. Let's connect it. The chip has been connected, so now let's program the chip. Detect, you press detect there. Now you have the detect and say read. We have to read this chip and save a backup file. Okay, now it's done. You can see the file, guys. So what you do, you save. I'm gonna save this. Is the okay, documents. Let's save this as Ronnie .bain. Save. Okay, it's been saved. Let's go there to check the file. It's 8 megabytes, 8 megabytes. Okay, these are the one that I'm gonna use. Try. I have downloaded this one from the internet, but this one, Ronnie, is the one that we just saved. Same size as the other one that I've downloaded online. It means it's one thing. They're all 8 megabytes. So what you can do now, erase the chip, because you already have a backup. In case if things goes wrong, we would go back to an original files. Okay guys, now the chip is empty. You can see. Let's try this file, because this file, I've seen some reports on Badcaps saying it's working. So let's try it. Okay guys, now we have everything back. Put back the BIOS. My camera gave me some issues, but anyway, it's now fine, 100%. Sorry that I didn't show you putting back the BIOS chip, but again, it's pointless, and everyone knows how to put back the BIOS chip. The basic thing. You have basic stuff. So I removed the BIOS, I put it back, and it's true that file is working. In case you have this machine with corrupted BIOS, use that file, the file that I used on my video. I'm gonna put it below. I'm gonna put a link below in case you are looking for that file, and you have this same machine. Let me show you anyway. It's working 100% now. I'm gonna put it aside like this so that you can see the display. $500, $400, $500. It's turning on. You can see already Lenovo. There we go. Checking media. But wait, let's see. I want you to see everything. Turning on again. It's checking media one more time. And it says whatsoever it's saying there. Anyway, this is it. I love you so much, guys. Bye bye, and take care. The BIOS was corrupt on this, but now it's working 100%. Much love, guys.